All right, so I totally forgot to film an intro for this video, but we're creating this look right here. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then just stay tuned. All right, so I have primed my eye using Urban Decay's Primer Potion. And now I'm gonna go in with the Naked Wild West palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade Tex, which is right here. Sorry, I'm like blinding you guys. The shade Tex. And I am gonna butt that right up against my lash line area and just kind of wing that out. Then I'm going in with the SheHulk palette, and we are going to take the shade Super Suit Up, which is right here, and that is just going to go right above Tex. That's sort of like an angle. And then going back in with the Wild West palette, I'm taking the shade Bud, and we're just going to further blend that up. Except I'm going to focus this more on the outer portion of that wing. Now going in with Gamma Glow, I'm just going to place this right below my brow, as well as kind of fade that blue out a little more. Now towards the front of the brow area up top, I'm gonna go in with Crushing It, which is this really pretty red terracotta color. And we are going to kind of blend that out and diffuse it with a little bit of Ghost Town and Spur. Just how it goes. Should have known better. I wish I would have known, but now. All right, so now I'm going to take this purple primer by Profusion Cosmetics, and I am just going to kind of cut this whole shape out. We're not going to cut into that blue though, so it's just going to be a very sharp edge to that purple. And then we are going to take WeHo Warrior, My Voice, and Gamma Glow again, and just apply those right on top of that primer. All right, so now we're gonna take the 24/7 ink liners by Urban Decay. I've got Mucho, Freak, and Zero here, and we are just gonna kind of outline that shape as well as line the eye. Okay, so now I'm taking the 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil in the shade Freak. This is also by Urban Decay. I'm literally just going to line my waterline. All right, I'm taking this middle shade right here. It's called Hulk Out. And we are just going to place that right in this area. Now I'm taking Binge and Zero, and we are just going to create some cool shapes out here, as well as line a few things. Press rewind and do it all again. I'd be the same girl, just with a better man. But this is how it is, and that's just how it goes. And here is the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.